Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. Today we're diving deep into the world of pull-ups, a fundamental exercise that utilizes your body weight to sculpt and strengthen your muscles. In this video, I'll explain how incorporating pull-ups into your daily routine for 30 days can significantly enhance muscle gain, and I'll share the best practices to optimize your results. Stay tuned to discover how to transform your physique with this simple yet effective workout. Let's get started. Pull-ups are a staple in strength training, targeting key upper body muscles such as the biceps, shoulders, and back. This exercise involves lifting your body weight against gravity, which not only helps to build muscle but also improves grip strength and overall functional fitness. Unlike many other exercises, pull-ups provide a natural stretch to your spine, offering a decompression benefit that can help alleviate pinching and discomfort in your back. To see the best results from your pull-up regimen, proper nutrition is essential. Your muscles need a combination of protein for repair and growth, and carbohydrates for energy. Consuming a diet rich in these nutrients will fuel your workouts and aid in recovery. It's important to calculate your daily intake of calories, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats based on your specific body weight and fitness goals. Ensuring that you consume more calories than you burn will promote muscle hypertrophy, the key to gaining size and strength from your pull-up workouts. To effectively gain muscle through pull-ups, vary your grip and style to target different muscle groups. Day 1. Narrow reverse grip pull-ups. Perform 3 sets of at least 10 repetitions. This grip emphasizes your biceps and forearms. Day 2. Wide grip pull-ups. Focus on widening your grip to engage more of your latissimus dorsi, the broad muscles of your back. Again, aim for 3 sets of at least 10 repetitions. Day 3. Standard grip pull-ups. Use a shoulder-width grip to balance the load across your upper body muscles, performing 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Keep this day less intense to prevent overtraining. As you progress, introduce additional weights to your pull-up routine to continuously challenge your muscles and prevent plateaus. You can use a weighted vest or a backpack with weights for added resistance. Remember to adjust your repetitions and sets according to the extra weight to maintain proper form and maximize effectiveness. It's also crucial to incorporate rest and recovery into your routine to allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. To achieve comprehensive upper body strength, complement your pull-ups with other exercises like dips and leg raises, which will help you work on your chest, triceps, and abs. Additionally, consider integrating leg workouts into your routine, as compound leg exercises like squats and deadlifts stimulate testosterone production, further aiding muscle growth. Pull-ups are a powerful exercise to include in your fitness arsenal, especially if you're looking to increase muscle mass and strength. By following the guidelines outlined in this video and maintaining a balanced diet, you can see significant improvements over the course of just 30 days. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Build Your Anatomy for more tips on how to sculpt a stronger, healthier body. Keep pulling up and push your limits every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more fitness insights and tips.